Hey, Brian from Garage Wall. Today I have the powered earwax remover. Been kind of excited to get this. And in the box you get your manual, you get a USB charging cord, and you get a bunch of different size tips in here. And these are kind of difficult to see. Like this one has a 3-spray tip on it. Then there's a couple in there that have a single tip. And there's one that has a 5 tip on there, which I have already installed on here. So that's what that looks like. And they go on and off really easy. So a couple tricky things I noticed about this. So you turn it this way to open this up, and you get 2 tanks, and they're labeled. So this is going to be your feed tank side. So that's where you put your straw down on. And this rubber seal, I end up just giving it a quick coat of water because for some reason I kept having that get tangled on the lid. So let's fill it with warm water. So we fill it like that. And again, put that hose in on that side. And then when you're putting it together, you'll see the kind of like embossed lock system on there, and you're turning it this way to lock it. So this way locks it, and then that's your empty tank. And then on your power button, you hit power on, long press, that turns it on. Press this and it'll start it, and you can see how that's spraying out already. Press power button and pause it again, and then this is going to give you your modes. So you hit this button, that's a pulse, and that's high. So let's start off with low, but again, you can put it into pulse mode, high. This starts it and pauses it. So when you're ready. Oh, and see how I got that seal stuck already? So let's open that up again. Put that seal in place and just put some water on that. And then again, just kind of work its position down. Make sure seal's not sticking out, and then close it. And then all you're doing is you put it up to your ear, and you want to tilt forward a little bit so it makes a better catch, and turn that on. And it is a weird sensation the first time you use it. And then we'll pause it, pull it out, let that drain, and then that is your drain tank. And honestly, I actually hear a little bit better. I must have had some wax built up in there. And then you can see there's really not much wax or debris in there. So let's do the other ear. Again, really easy. So it's still in the low mode. Put it down into your ear canal. Lean forward a little bit. And kind of let your ear drain through. And again, that's your clean tank. And then this is your waste tank. And you can kind of see how that water is a little bit on the cloudier side. So yeah, anyway, very cool. Brian from Garage Wall, thanks for watching, and be safe out there.